So today we're going to be unboxing this ceiling lights. So when you open up the box, you have their assembling instructions and you have more information about the lights. And then when you bring it up, it is well packaged in there. So you do have the items for the light fixtures. So this is what it looks like. It has this bronze shaping on it. Very nice, very intricate, very beautiful. And then inside, this is filled with LED lights, and you have the wiring in here. To start the install process, you want to first remove the cover for the lighting. So once you remove the cover, you have all the LED light bulbs in there. This can last up to 17 years, guys. Okay, so what you're gonna do next is you're gonna attach the screws to use to attach the fixture onto the ceiling. Once you've done that, these are the wires, and you just want to connect the wires to the existing power wires and then just cap it off. There are 3 in it, so make sure that you attach all 3 just like this. Okay, so the next thing that you want to do is you want to take the wires and you want to push them into the ceiling. Once you push them into the ceiling, then you just want to attach the fixture to the ceiling. Okay, so just screw everything in. One thing I like about this LED light fixture is that it is a flush fixture and the light lasts 50,000 hours. It's amazing. It comes with a 3-year warranty. It's dimmable light and it is safe and easy, very easy to install. You guys saw it. I love the color. It gives you a warm and also vibrant color depending on your setting. And I also like that this light is very beautiful, very aesthetically pleasing. I absolutely love it and I'm glad I got it.